In today's video, I'm going to teach you about recording your screen with Google Vids. Whether it's for a tutorial, a presentation, or just sharing what's happening on your screen, Google Vids offers a straightforward way to capture it all. And today I'll guide you through every step to get you recording in no time. To begin, you'll want to head over to Google Vids. It's part of the Google Workspace, a suite of tools designed to foster productivity and collaboration. When you arrive at the Google Vids page, you'll notice its clean layout, designed with user-friendliness in mind. The first order of business is to sign into your Google account. Click on the Sign In button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. This will bring up a list of accounts if you've signed into Google on your device before. Choose the account you want to use for recording. It's best to select a work or school account if you're creating content for specific purposes, as it keeps your recordings organized and easy to share with colleagues or classmates. Once you've successfully signed in, look for the right panel on the Google Vids page. This panel is your gateway to various functions and settings, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on recording. So, go ahead and click on Recording to proceed. This action prepares Google Vids to capture whatever activity you're planning to record on your screen. After clicking on Recording, your next step is to select Screen as your recording source. This choice tells Google Vids that you want to capture what's happening on your computer screen rather than, say, using a webcam. Choosing to record your screen opens up a myriad of possibilities. You might be demonstrating software, walking viewers through a presentation, or sharing a project you're particularly proud of. Regardless of your goal, Google Vids makes this process incredibly intuitive. Now that you know where to find and how to initiate screen recording with Google Vids, here are a few additional tips to ensure you get the best results. 1. Asterisk. Preparation. Before you begin recording, close any unnecessary programs or tabs. This not only helps your computer run more smoothly, but also prevents accidentally sharing private information. 2. Audio. If your recording requires narration, make sure your microphone is plugged in and selected as your input device in Google Vids settings. Additionally, do a quick test recording to ensure your sound levels are adequate and clear. 3. Environment. Try to record in a quiet environment to minimize background noise. This can be challenging, especially when working from home, but even simple changes like closing windows or temporarily turning off fans can make a noticeable difference in audio quality. 4. Clarity and pacing. When narrating, speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Remember that what's obvious to you might not be as clear to your audience. It might help to outline what you plan to say beforehand, or even create a full script for more complex tutorials. 5. Review. Once you've finished recording, take the time to review your video. Look for any portions that might need clarification, or check if there are any sensitive information or unnecessary parts that need to be edited out before sharing. Google Vids makes it easy to share your recordings right after you're done, directly within Google Workspace or through download links. Consider your audience's access and the best platform for sharing when you're ready to publish. Remember, practice makes perfect. Your first few recordings might not be flawless, and that's completely okay. Each recording is an opportunity to learn and improve, both in terms of presentation skills and technical proficiency. And that's a wrap on getting started with recording your screen using Google Vids. It's a powerful tool when used correctly, and I hope this guide has demystified the process for you. Dive in, start recording, and share your knowledge or creativity with the world. Happy recording!